Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a personal training website for free. The platform that we'll be using is Wix. All you have to do is go onto wix.com, as you can see right here. And the beautiful thing about Wix is you do not need a credit card to get started. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, then you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll be prompted to either enter your Google account, or you can sign up using Facebook, or you can continue with your Apple account, or you can simply enter any email address and create a password. After you're finished doing that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And from here, all you'll need to do now is tap on Create New Site. After you have tapped on Create New Site, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all I want you to do on the search bar that you see right here, you can simply type in personal trainer, or if you want, you can type in gym. So let's say, for example, I were to type in personal trainer. Then I can tap on personal trainer right here. Then you are going to tap on next. And one of the main things about Wix is after typing in personal trainer, you will be able to see numerous website templates that you can use. So let's say I want to name this website Simple and Easy. Then tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can choose the apps that you would like to be on your website. So let's say, for example, you want to allow persons to do booking so they can book you for consultation or so on. You will leave this tick. And also, if you want to have pricing plans, for example, the amount that persons would have to pay to book you or for any form of consultation, you can do that. If you are planning to sell any course, you will leave online programs on, but I'm not planning to sell any course, and more than likely you're going to be putting up exercise videos, so you can leave videos. And you can scroll down and you can see other things. So if you want to sell items on your store, on your website, you can select online store. And also, if you would like to add your Instagram feed, you can do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. After tapping on next, what I want you to do next is tap right where you see begin with a template. After tapping on begin with a template, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. So all you have to do is scroll down until you see one that you like. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one right here. All I have to do is tap on edit. After tapping on edit, you can see that Wix is composing the template, and all you have to do is just give it a few seconds, then we'll be able to customize our new website. There are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. Over on the left hand corner, you will see the option Add Elements. If we were to tap on this, you'll now be able to add videos or anything you want to your new website. After tapping on Add Elements, you'll see a pop-out menu option, as you can see right here. So if you would like to add images, you could select an image to add. If you would like to add buttons, let's say, for example, you want to add a shop button or contact form on your website for clients to fill out or potential clients to fill out, you can simply tap on contact forms and you'll be able to add it to any page. You can also add your social media, and if you want, you can also set up payments, and you can also add a blog or anything at all to your website. But before all of that, let me show you how quick and easy it is to edit anything on your Wix website. So let's say, for example, you want to edit the header section. All you have to do is hover over the section with your mouse. Then you'll see the option Quick Edit. You're going to tap on that. After tapping on Quick Edit, in the right hand column you can see right here, you can see the text, the paragraph right here. So let's say, for example, I want to change this section and I want to add my name as the certified fitness expert. So I can simply type in my name right there. And also if I wanted to type something else, I could type something else. And you can also change the background if you want, or anything that you would like to edit on your header. Once you're finished, you can simply tap on the X. Then let's say, for example, you want to change this image. All you have to do to change the image again is simply tap on the section that you'd like to change. Then you are going to see the option Quick Edit. You are going to tap on that. After you have tapped on Quick Edit, if you would like to change the background, you can, as you can see right here. And you can also change the button. And if in the future you would like to add a page, all you have to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, then tap on the third option from the top, and you will see Pages and Menu. From here, all you have to do is tap on Add Page, and you'll be able to add a page. And you can also see right here, so if you would like to set up booking pages, you can. As you can see, the booking pages on your website right here. And if you would also like to set up programs, you can. And you can also set up member pages. But at the moment, these are the pages that are currently on our website. And if you would like to edit any one of these pages, all you have to do is select the particular page that you'd like to edit. Let's say I want to edit book online. So all I have to do is tap on the page that I would like to edit. Then you can see that I'm currently on the book online page right here. And you can see how it looks at the moment. So you can see the different categories, which would be the different programs that I'm offering, or the different consultation programs. As you can see right there, category 1, category 2, and category 3. Now if you would like to change anything, you can easily again. All you have to do is tap on the section that you would like to edit. Then you'll tap on Manage Services. After we have selected Manage Services, we'll be redirected to a new dashboard. And from here you can see that you can set up one-on-one personal training if you want. All you have to do is tap on the session that you would like to add. So if you would like to add private sessions, you can. If you would like to activate the personal training plan right here, you can. And you can also see the training package right here. You could activate also. All you have to do is tap on the particular plan that you'd like to set up, as all you have to do is tap on the particular plan that you'd like to set up, as Wix offers numerous options that makes it easy for persons to create and edit a template. Once you're finished doing that, what I want you to do is pay attention to the left hand corner, and from here you can see pricing plans and so on, and you can go into each section and edit it to your liking. And once you're finished doing all of that, you can also see booking calendar right here. So if you have more than one staff members, you could add staff members, and you can also set up your calendar depending on how many bookings and so on you get. After doing all of that, all you have to do is go back onto the editor page like this and tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, and from there your new website will be live. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.